Hey there folks, my name's Saul Reisman and I'm here at Autotek, and today we're going to give you a little update about the progress we've been making here at the shop. Now we know over the past year or so we've slowed down a little bit on the videos, and mainly it's because we really needed to work on building out the facility, keeping our guests on the road, and making sure we could be running the most efficient shop here in the state of Colorado. Let's take a look and see what we're working on today. Now it looks like we've got this 69 Pontiac on Forgiatos that's getting some cooling system love, in addition to some underhood support. Oh, looks like we're going with an aluminum radiator on this guy and seeing what else we can to get her taken care of. They recently had this block overhauled, still had some concerns, and just brought it in to see if we couldn't give it a little love. We'll be showing you a little bit more detail on this guy as we get closer to completion. But in the meantime, here's a little sneak peek.